The world of custom cars, where the renowned builders at Ringbrothers have unveiled their latest masterpiece, TUSK, a stunningly reimagined 1969 Dodge Charger. This incredible build combines classic American muscle with cutting-edge engineering and modern design elements, creating a vehicle that is as breathtaking as it is powerful. Power and performance at the heart of TUSK is a supercharged 426 Hemi Hellephant, delivering an astonishing 1,000 horsepower. This beast of an engine is paired with a Bowler TREMEC T-56 Magnum 6-speed manual transmission, providing exhilarating acceleration and seamless power delivery. Precision handling and suspension to harness the immense power of the Hellephant engine. TUSK features a roadster shop fast-track suspension system with an independent rear setup. This advanced suspension provides exceptional handling and stability, making the Charger agile and responsive in any driving condition. Custom exhaust and braking system. The custom Ringbrothers exhaust system with one-off machine tips not only enhances the car's performance but also delivers a deep, aggressive exhaust note that commands attention. To ensure that TUSK stops as well as it goes, the Charger is equipped with Bayer Brakes Extreme 6S6 piston calipers. The front wheels measure 19-inch x 10.5-inch, while the rear wheels are an impressive 20-inch x 13-inch. These wheels are wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. The exterior of TUSK is finished in BASF Glashurit waterborne paint in the striking color called Black to the Future W8555 GM Black. Step inside TUSK and you'll find a blend of classic design and modern luxury. The interior features premium materials, including leather upholstery with contrast stitching and carbon fiber accents. Custom gauges and a state-of-the-art infotainment system provide a seamless blend of vintage style and modern functionality.